What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, I am Gemini, non-alcoholic. There's no alcohol in here before y'all judge me and I thought you don't drink. No, there's no alcohol in here. All right, so I basically just want to sit down and talk to you about what I've learned since starting YouTube. It's only been about a month and a half. I think I've uploaded 6 videos, 5 or 6, something like that. So I have 6 videos up right now. It is February 17th, 2021. I have 109 subscribers as of today. And I just kind of wanted to give you a little, I see big channels do this all the time. How to YouTube, how to be successful, but you never really see the come up, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to go ahead and sit down and let you guys know firsthand, YouTube is hard. I have a newfound respect for these dudes that do it full time, week in and week out, posting 3 to 4 videos. This stuff is hard. It could take you about 20 to 30 minutes to film something, but then it's gonna take you another 3 to 4 hours just to edit it. It's ridiculous. Nobody told me editing takes so long. And it's every little bit that counts. Those of you that have been to the channel, you guys have seen my edits. They're not that great, but I'm getting better. I've been getting a lot of good feedback. But I just wanted to let you guys know, someone out there who's starting, you're seeing this from the beginning. I am not a professional. I am not good at this. I have not mastered this craft. But editing is very hard. The most time-consuming part of the whole YouTube, I think, in my opinion, as of right now. Granted, I only post 1 video a week as of right now. Maybe one day I'll start doing more and more uploads. But as of right now, I got a lot going on, so I just post what I can when I can. But I have a lot of fun doing it at the same time. For those of you who are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, go ahead and leave a comment and say you subscribed, and I will comment back. I'll try and get back to all of you guys if I can. Give me a thumbs up, say done, say what's up big dog, whatever you want to do, and I'll get back to you. So one thing that I've noticed, I have these ideas every time I'm about to film, and I get super pumped. And I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but I get super pumped. I'm like, yeah, let's do that. Let's do it. And once I start recording, boom, blank. The worst thing in the world. I hate it. It makes me so mad because I feel like in my head I have these great ideas of what to do and what to say and how to make it funny and whatnot. But as soon as that camera turns on, it's all out the window. It's like I forget everything I want to say. For example, this video alone, I had a bunch of things I wanted to say, and it's all gone now. I'm trying to remember everything I was thinking. That's one thing I'm trying to get over, is this camera shyness. For those of you who are starting, I'm just starting, so you're seeing this from the beginning, from a beginner's perspective. I'm just starting. I'm still camera shy. I still don't know what to do with my hands or how to really talk to the camera. So I'm still trying to learn how to do this whole camera thing. I get super camera shy. For those of you that know me in person and then see me behind this camera, I'm sure you guys are like, wow, there's a whole different person. Obviously my wife as well, she's still very camera shy. She's still not all the way comfortable with the whole YouTube thing. I'm more comfortable with the YouTube thing, but she's more of, she's just doing it because I'm asking her to do it, really. But other than that, camera shyness, that's a big thing. It's tough to get used to talking to a camera, to yourself, to somebody else through a camera. So it's like you're talking to yourself. For example, I'm at my house right now and my kids are upstairs, and I feel very shy doing this, knowing they're up there, because I'm like, what if they come down? What are they gonna think of me? They're gonna think I'm weird and some kind of weird guy or whatever. But I enjoy doing this, so it's fun. It'll get better. It's going to get better. Another big thing that I've learned, every time I'm done editing a video, taking hours, days even sometimes to edit a video, I'd be so hyped. I'd be like, yeah, this is the banger. This is gonna be the banger right here. This is gonna be the one that's gonna get me 1,000 subs and 20,000 views. People are gonna like this. Don't be discouraged when it doesn't happen, because I'm like that every time. You're proud of your work. That's good. I'm proud of my work. I'm like, oh man, I'm learning how to do this. I get super pumped up. I'm like, oh man, this is gonna be the one. And then it gets 50 views. And you're just like, well, I had bigger and better expectations about it. And you know, this YouTube thing, I'm sure a lot of you guys that are starting have been watching videos like Think Media, all these channels that are trying to help you progress in the YouTube game. So every time I post a video, I'm like, oh yeah, this is gonna be the one. This is what Mr. Beast and Think Media and all these channels that help you grow and want you to succeed, this is what they said to do, and I'm doing it all. And this is a great video. I did a good edit on it. My thumbnail's banging. You know, I'm doing everything that everyone said I should do, and you don't get the views you expected. I'm here to tell you, yes, I want to quit all the time. I just got started, and I'm like, man, pretty much what I'm trying to say is don't expect to be an overnight sensation. Yes, it happens, but don't expect it. I find myself to be very entertaining. That's why I've always wanted to be an entertainer. And that's why I started YouTube. I was like, hey, let's do it. I wanted to learn how to edit, and I wanted to entertain people, make people laugh. Wanted to spend time with my wife, so that's why I did it. I'm not doing it because I want to become some rich millionaire. If it happens, I'll take it. But at the same time, you know, I'm doing this for fun. This is an outlet, you know. But don't expect for, I tend to ramble on a lot about things. I need to learn to stay on focus. But don't expect to drop a video and it to get 100,000 views. I mean, the likelihood of that happening is it's very low. All right. Every time I put out a video, I swear it's gonna be the next big thing. I'm about to get 100,000 subs and create this big fan base and this whole new YouTube persona, and you know, it just, the reality of that happening is very low from the beginning. But I'm not, it doesn't discourage me. I mean, it kind of gets me down. I get kind of like, oh man, I thought that was a good video and it just doesn't get the views I expected it to. And I don't even think I'm gonna get like 1 million views. I'm like, I can get 200 views easy with this video, and it just doesn't happen. But I mean, that's the game, I guess. As long as you're enjoying what you're doing, having fun with it, that's all that matters, right? With that being said, remember why you started. Don't do it for the fame and the fortune. You know, have fun. Have fun in everything you do. If you saw at the beginning of the video, I did the little making my drink. That was my first time trying that. I just wanted to see if I could do it. Hopefully it came out pretty cool, but I'm gonna continue to try and do things like that. This is actually my first time vlogging. So if you're not having fun doing YouTube, there's something wrong. I have so much fun doing this, playing these challenges, playing these games. The one prank I've done so far, I have so much fun doing this. I just gotta get used to being behind the camera more. I'm still scared to go out in public with my camera. Like, I want to record some gym sessions, but I feel like a total D-bag when I go in the gym and have a camera. Like, I feel like people are looking at me like, who does this guy think he is? Who's this jerk off over here, you know? So that's something I still gotta get over. I still can't walk into a store with it and be like, hey, what's up, guys, you know? But yeah, I'm trying to get over it. I think I'm getting better. I've been getting a lot of feedback from my friends. Another big thing, don't be afraid to tell your friends and family. All right? Because those are gonna be your #1 hype men. They're gonna tell you straight up how it is, if it was good, if it was trash, if it was horrible. If they thought, like, I get people, they're like, hey man, from your first video, it's only 6 videos, you know? And they're like, from your first video to this video, you already doing way better. Like, you could tell the quality difference, the editing difference. You're getting more comfortable behind the camera, this and that, you know? So those are your first real subscribers, are your friends and family. So don't be like, oh, I'm scared of what they're gonna think of me. They're gonna be your biggest hype men. That's all I'm saying. You show them everything. I have a few friends that I show while I'm editing. I'll show them clips and stuff and be like, hey, how does this look? So I get feedback while I'm doing it sometimes, and they'll help me out. So far, my YouTube experience, this is fun. Plain and simple, it's fun. Quick update. Moto vlogs, you know, I'm trying to get the bike up and running. Me and my buddy have been working on it for weeks now. The stator went out, so we replaced that. The starter went out, so we replaced that. Now the starter's just spinning and won't catch the, what is it called? The clutch thing, whatever that starts it. We can't figure it out, but we're still working on it. We're gonna get it started though, and as soon as we do, there's gonna be some nice moto vlogs. In the future for this channel, what I want to be super interactive. I want to be able to do live Q&As, live challenges, stuff like that. I want to communicate with you guys. I want you guys to communicate with me. And I don't want that to go away. I believe I could do it. That's the number one thing. As long as I believe, right, I could do it. But, I mean, that's what they teach you, right? But, super excited looking to the future. You guys stay tuned. We're going to have more pranks. If there's something you guys want to see, make sure you let me know. Hey, I want to see you guys do this kind of challenge. I just wanted to get on here and say that real quick. Give you guys, I'm going to attempt to hit the gym and shoot a little bit. We'll see what I can get out of it. But if I get shy, then it's not going to happen. But I mean, other than that, man, you know, I'm ready to move forward with this. Let's get it going. Like I said before, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Say I'm done. Subscribe. I got you, big dog. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'll comment back. I also want to start doing shout outs. So each episode, each video, do a shout out to one person. Right now, I'm gonna give the shout out to K Lamar, another starting YouTube channel. I've been watching their content. They're really funny. You guys should check them out if you haven't. But they're also just starting out. Hey, these dudes post like 7 videos a week. I don't know how they do it, but they post like 7 videos a week. I wish I could, but y'all check them out. I'll post their YouTube in the description below. If y'all got anything y'all would like to see, any pranks that you want to see me do on Britt, cause the last one was good. I thought it was pretty good. I don't know, y'all let me know, but I thought it was pretty good. But just put it in the comments below. All right. As always, like this video. It helps with the algorithm. Apparently, that's what I've been told. Plus, I heard if you like and subscribe, or if you just like, I hear you win a free iPhone or something. I don't know. That's not me, but just keep that in mind, all right? But I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Appreciate everyone who has subscribed. I appreciate everyone who's liking the videos and watching them all the way through. You know, I appreciate that, all the love, all the support everyone's giving us right now in this younger channel. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get way better. All right, but we'll see you in the next one. Blessings and riches to all of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.